Lesson number 13. Animal World. Wild animals. Some animals live in the jungle. They are called wild animals. Lions, tigers, cheetahs, bears and elephants are wild animals. Farm animals. Some animals live in the farms near our houses. They are called farm animals. Horses, donkeys, pigs, chickens, hens, goats, sheep are farm animals. Pet animals. Animals that live with us in our homes are called pet animals. We should love and take care of them. Pet animals and farm animals are called domestic animals. Animals are useful to us. Animals are very useful to us. We get milk from cow and goat. We get egg from hen and duck. Animals such as donkeys help us to carry loads. Some animals help us to travel from one place to another. We get wool from sheep. Farmers use animals such as bullock carts to plough their fields. Animals such as dogs guard our houses. Animal homes. A dog lives in a kennel. A cow lives in a cowshed. A horse lives in a stable. Birds. These animal friends have feathers and beaks. They are called birds. Most birds have wings and can fly. Birds also lay eggs. Birds live in nest. Insects. Very small animals are called insects. Insects live everywhere in our houses, in the roads, in our workplace and in the jungle. Some insects fly and some crawl.